Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today super classic, easy, like tagliatelle spaghetti Italian. You know, Enrico like tagliatelle, we're gonna make tagliatelle with meatball in tomato sauce. Is tagliatelle con le polpette al sugo. Delicious and easy. We need to make this some mince. This is 600 grams, is 50-50 pork and beef. 200 grams of Parmesan, 120 grams of breadcrumb, some parsley, milk, pepper, salt. We have to fry some onion and garlic. I have to put in the mix. And this wine, we need an egg. And this wine is not for them, it's for me. You know, Italian people, when they cooking, they drink something, okay?
And this is for me.
Okay guys, now we start. And the first step, I won't start fry because I need some olive oil inside. With it there. And in the mince, we have to add the Parmesan.
Add, not had.
Ah, scusa Enrico.
Later say
Add.
add.
Okay, thank you very much, Papa. You Enrico, he teach me always the English. Thank you very much, Enrico. We have some salt and pepper. Later we check again, okay? Salt, pepper, this egg inside. If you cook, the mince is more than 600 grams, we have to put 2 eggs at least, okay? Some parsley inside, if you like. If you don't like, don't put it. Now guys, I put this onion. This as well is not obligatory. If you don't like this, you don't do, but I can say it's absolutely delicious, the flavor with this fried onion and garlic, okay? Garlic inside. This as well is typical from my mother-in-law in Slovakia, Maminka Viera. Now we fry a little bit this and we're gonna put inside. Okay guys, when this onion, a couple minutes is ready, I'll show you next step, okay? Like this. And oh, the smell, oh mio dio. Okay, now some breadcrumb, beginner. Now guys, we have to mix everything by hand. Careful, the onion is hot. And just mix, start mix. Okay, we add some milk, okay?
Yeah, you didn't say had.
Okay, thank you. Okay guys, now mix everything. When it's nice mix, I'll show you the next step, okay? Okay, we're gonna have something like this. Very nice mix. And now, wet your hand with some olive oil. Just like this. And start make the balls like this. The shape and dimension you choose. I make something like that, some small, some big, but because I will cook this in tomato sauce. Because a lot of people, they fry it first and they put in tomato sauce. I'm gonna put that direct in tomato sauce. Gonna be absolutely delicious because the tomato sauce, when you put raw, the come inside and still this come full of tomato, is something absolutely delicious. Now I will do all this polpette or meatball. I'm sorry, polpette is Italian, meatballs, and when they're ready, I show you the next step if make the sauce. Okay, easy, guys. The meatball they're ready, nice. They are low. I'm gonna use, I think, half of them because I want to cook some with tomato sauce, and I'm gonna leave something for tomorrow or after tomorrow for another dinner. Okay, you can do like that. Now I already cut onion, celery, carrot, and I need some passata. 2. If it's not enough, maybe 3. But celery and carrot, up to you. I like that flavor. Now put the on. I put some oil, olive oil, extra virgin from my cousin in Puglia. Nice wine for me. Don't worry, it's the same glass. It's the same glass. Okay. Now we have the onion on. And this sauce gonna cook around a couple hours. When the onion is nice and blonde, carrot,
Why you say that?
celery. This carrot and celery, in the end, I gonna take it out from the sauce. Okay, it's just for the flavor. Now, 2 minutes, and I show you the next step. Next step, we're gonna have this the sauce. Okay. Now it's time to put the passata inside. You can use any passata you like. Okay. Now some water just to clean this. Now the flame put down, and now we need. I put couple teaspoon of sugar just for the tomato, for the acidity. You know. This is done. Mix everything. And now, for me, my wife soon, I hope, and my little man, I wanna put 4 meatballs each, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Maybe we put another 3, 4 more because
No, Piero, not
I eat a little bit more.
not 10, 12, 11, 12. Like last time. 1, 3, 2, no. 1, 2, 3, 5.
Okay. Sorry, it was 10, 11, 12.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. And now, guys, this one. Put not too strong, like this. Lid on. Check always salt and pepper. If you need some water, you can add some water, and that's it. When it's cooked around a couple hours, it's ready. I'm gonna show you where we're gonna make some nice tagliatelle, because Enrico, my son, want tagliatelle, and we're gonna have tagliatelle with meatballs in tomato sauce. See you later. Okay, the sauce is ready. I leave there just to cook a little bit more. The water for the pasta is on now. Tagliatelle, I put already the sauce. Tagliatelle in, and see you in 8-10 minutes when the pasta is ready. Okay, guys, pasta is almost ready. I will try one meatball. Look how soft it is. Look, wow, look at that, fantastic. And guys, it's something I know nothing to compare. Wow, delicious. Now pasta, turn it off. Very good there, and inside again. Now guys, some sauce inside. 1 and 2. Mix everything. A little bit more. Now we're gonna put in the plate. And we're gonna eat. Guys, now I'll show you. Just a one taste. Just a little bit, guys. Look like I'm again in Italy. It's something very from my country. Okay. Well, guys, the tagliatelle with meatballs in tomato sauce is done. Very nice. If you like, always share with friends, subscribe if you can. Check our website cookwithanitalian.com, and if you like, finger up and follow us. Bye bye.